Hello everyone, today I am presenting a tutorial of my foundation. And of course I did makeup in the process. But this is in response to Mary's request. And here you go, because I'm 63 years old. And how are we going to put makeup? How are we going to do foundation for when we are older and we have wrinkles and we have, number 11? Stay tuned because after this channel ID, we're going to start. So there you go. I'll see you in a little bit. Well, hello everyone. Happy spring, by the way. Well, today I'm just going to do a quick foundation light makeup tutorial because one of you, Mary, asked me to do a tutorial on how to apply foundation. So this is going to be very quick because what's foundation really? It's not so much, but I'm just going to give you the basics so that you know what to do before you put on makeup. Number one, make sure your face is very, very clean before you apply any makeup, right? After you wash your face, you can check my video. I just posted about it, how to wash your face properly. Make sure to put toner. So this is my Innisfree Black Tea Youth Enhancing Skin Toner. This is Korean. A toner is very good to apply before anything on your face because they say that it serves as a foundation for anything else that you put in your face. And then after I put my toner, very simple, I put my moisturizer. Now, if it's during the day, because right now it's already 6:13 in the evening, after my moisturizer, I put my sunblock. I used to have LTMD, but because LTMD is American and there's a Canadian-US trade war, so Canada is not very happy about the bullying that Trump is doing to us, so we are boycotting American products. So I'm just using one that's Canadian, which is also very good, Cetaphil. But this one, I have to put some cream on my face because otherwise the consistency of this one is something that's good to put on your arms, but on the face is a little too thick, and that's why I have to put cream. So let's do that very quickly. I'm gonna put cream. This is my Marcel moisturizer, just a little. And remember, whenever you put anything on your face, it's always upwards, upward motion, and pat. See, you can see I have my hyperpigmentation here. It's very light now compared to my hyperpigmentation 2 years ago. This very slowly, so it disappears very, very slowly because it's natural. I'm using vitamin C. I'm using castor oil. I'm using so many things that I think might help. Oh, papaya seed oil, so anything, and that's why it's lightening. There you go, that's it. And then we put foundation. So this is my foundation that I'm using. I use Maybelline. I like this because this one has hyaluronic acid and collagen. You know, collagen, they say it doesn't really help you if the collagen is in the cream because it's what you eat. So I still believe in the fact that what you eat is the one that builds your collagen, like bone broth. I have a video. I'm going to try to find it and then put it up here about the collagen enhancing foods that you should eat. So I just put very little, just this much, see? Because this is kind of thick. And then just dab. For my foundation, I actually use my fingers. I used to have this brush. I can still use this. Oh yeah, I think it's better. I actually just had a date with my youngest daughter. I had my hair done, so no roots. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, so just very light because we're talking about day makeup, right? Day makeup, and you don't want to put a lot because it has to look natural. Well, I'm 63 years old, so I can't put all of these like long lashes or whatever. So just simple and plain and, girl next door kind of thing. I noticed that when I put powder on my foundation, I get to apply my eyeshadow evenly, more evenly. So you can use whatever compact powder you have. And then I'm just gonna, doesn't matter, but use a brush. My youngest daughter taught me this, to not use the powder puff, but oh my gosh, see, look at that, huh? And I got to... Okay, and make sure you use different brushes for different things that you put on your face. Like, this is my eyeshadow brush. I'm using my old Tartelette. I'm just going to use a slight brown. So, again, for me is, because I am Filipino, brown suits me, right? Brown suits me. I actually have so many mirrors. This one, my main one, and then my side mirror here, because sometimes I feel like wherever the light is, right? And then you spread it out, because you don't want it to be like a big blob of brown, right? So it has to be very gradual. And then you follow the, you know, this part of your eyes from the corner to the end of the brow, that's where your shadow should just be until. Okay, you don't want to put your shadow lower than that, right? And then I'm going to put this one, which I love. I have my Modern Renaissance Anastasia, and I'm going to use a combination of this and this. Then tap. My daughter says you have to tap. Tap. See that? And then you spread it. And then you put some here. Okay. Okay. Tap. And then spread some here to give your eye that lift. Especially us when we're older, you know, you have that kind of lack of sleep look. So you want to keep your eye alive. And then concealer is good for your eyes. So this is my Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to put on here. And then here and here. And then you use a damp, wash it so it's a little bit damp, and then you use that to spread. So I look a little bit more alive, and then I'm just going to enhance my brows. I already put some brow liner because I was out with my youngest today. So, and then don't use liquid eyeliner. That's what my daughter said. So, because it makes me look old. So I'm using this dark. So like here, just here on the side. And then just at the root. I put at the root because, so it's not drastic. Just by the line of where you're, and just there. And then here too. I got reunited with my favorite Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer, because I was trying to use another concealer. I bought another concealer, but it was too yellow for my skin. I have to have a pinkish tint. You know when you go to Sephora and you buy a concealer, it'll say Y at the end, or it'll say P. Y means yellow, so if your skin is more on the yellow side, or if your skin is more on the pink side, and mine is pink. I'm just going to cover this, and you know what I do? I have this orange lipstick, because orange neutralizes blue or gray. I used to put so much on my hyperpigmentation whenever I had to put makeup on, and my hyperpigmentation was still so strong. And now I just use this one. I put a little bit of my Tilbury, just a little, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, and then I put this one. And I have a special brush for that. It's slanted. And then just dab very lightly all the way. You're slowly dispersing it around so that it's not one huge patch. With everything that I'm putting on my face with castor oil, it's improving. And put some here. There you go. So here's a rundown. Wash your face, put on your toner, put on your moisturizer, and while your moisturizer is still a little moist, you want to put your sunblock if you're going out. And then that's it. You go put your foundation. I use Maybelline. You can use whatever foundation you already have. Just make sure that the color, when you get a foundation, it has to be darker than your face, because you don't want it lighter, because then it won't blend with your neck, right? The thing is, your face color must blend with your neck. And then if you need a concealer, I suggest using Best Skin Ever. You can get this straight online on Sephora or in your closest Sephora store. And of course, I mix it with my Charlotte Tilbury, or whatever. If you need to conceal anything, I don't have any particular preference, but because I don't really have lashes, so if there's an election and then my lashes were going to have to vote, they're gonna lose, because there are not so many who's gonna vote. And then my contour by Charlotte Tilbury. And again, depending on the color of your skin, because I'm dark, I use this, and just a little here, because you don't want to put too much. Contour is so strong, that's why. Oh my god. Oh my god, see, so strong. Like, wow, oh my god. Oh. Okay, I have to spread this on this too much. I'm gonna use a little of this color for just so it balances. Put some on my nose here. Tap, tap. I have to remember to tap, tap, so it looks natural. And then maybe a little bit of blush, but very, very light. There you go. Awesome! So that's our foundation lesson for today. And in fact, it went on to eye makeup, and then, mascara. And then I have this lip liner so that I can just outline my lips. And then this is the only time I put my lipstick. You know what J-Lo said? You should only put gloss in the middle of your lips, none on the side, because then it makes it plump. Does it really make it plump? You know, I saw this post where they were criticizing Sabrina Carpenter, her makeup, that she's aging so fast, and they're also criticizing Millie Bobby Brown that she's aging so fast. Why do people have to criticize girls that they're aging so fast? That's why people are afraid to grow old, because oh my god, and that's a magazine, and that's why girls lose self-esteem so early in life, because people are just bashing them left and right. Oh my gosh, good lord, stop bashing. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for your request, Mary. And any one of you, if you have any requests, just comment on the video, and then I will try my best to do it if I can do it right away, because otherwise I might forget, because I'm 63 years old. What do you expect? Well, I hope you like this episode. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and share. Spread the good news. Let them know we can put makeup and look awesome. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platform, Instagram @TheRealD, TikTok Used to be at The Real D. I was able to change it to my name, Jackie D. My website, jackied.com. Don't forget to sign up for my newsletter so that if I have some updates, I don't really do blogs or emails, but just in case I have an announcement that's not on my YouTube channel, then I will be able to send you that announcement. And yeah, if you have questions, definitely throw them in the comments below. Let me know. And know that I put out a video every weekend. So I hope you subscribe to my channel so that when I come up with a video every time, you are the first one to be notified, right? So yes, I love it so. Well, there you go. I'm pretty proud of what I've done. I think I remembered what my daughter taught me, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.